These plates are for switches that will be installed in hotel rooms, and they will include sockets for 3-pin British plugs. The automated tooling wraps the punched metal around a form to give it the desired shape. This framework will also serve as an electrical grounding plate, discharging electrical energy from the socket to prevent shocks. A worker now attaches a molded plastic part to a grounding plate. He inserts a screw in a brass connector and installs it in a slot in the molded plastic. He installs a series of brass terminals. At the next station, a worker assembles fuse holders, contacts, and springs to the plastic structure. Next up are little spring-operated plastic shutters. They block the sockets when nothing is plugged into them. Moving down the assembly line, a worker inserts springs into twin rocker switches. She lowers a press to squeeze all the switch components together, then transfers the switches to the electrical unit. Another technician snaps a cover onto it. He plugs it into a light box to test it, and the bulbs of the box illuminate. This confirms that the switches and sockets are fully operational. A worker now fits the steel grid plate to it, with the switches and sockets protruding through it. This particular unit is also equipped with a round European plug and a USB charging port for mobile devices. At the next station, an operator serves up brass faceplates to a press that bends the rims, forming a thin lip that will fit around the grid plate. A computerized welder fuses studs to the back of the faceplates, placing one at each corner. These studs will fix the faceplate to the grid plate and provide a screwless finish on the front. When it comes to switch and socket combinations, there's no shortage of options. At this station, a worker assembles a particularly large one with switches, charging ports, and sockets. It's also designed for installation in a hotel room. He secures the charging port to the grid plate, and it's ready for the faceplate. He attaches it using the welded studs, and with the folded edging, it encases the grid plate neatly.